Hello, welcome back to Photonic Luminescence. Today I want to talk about two light bulbs this time, and it's about these two CFL globes. So we're going to talk about them in a bit. So let's get started. Now, I got these in a box filled to the brim with CFLs, and the thing about them is that this one is twin tube, 11 watts, and this one is not twin tube. You can see has this, I don't really know how it's called, but it's definitely not twin tube. Both are 11 watts, and I can show you one of them actually, the info, a bit over short. Varilux, okay, it focused out, elektronische Energiesparlampe, 11 watts. This just simply means CFL. No, this one. The same 11 watts. I didn't. Okay, but they're both 11 watts. And what I really like, or I want to just test, is we're going to do a little bit of comparison. Which one is brighter, and their true wattage. So let's see. Oh, and I see this is an IKEA light bulb. Okay, this makes it actually different. Really interesting. I never really had an IKEA light bulb, so this is going to be an interesting test. Okay, I'm going to switch it on, and because of the nice preheat that it is, I'm going to do it again. Okay, I'm going to leave this first heat up, and it already uses 12 watts. So let's see. And we have reached maximum brightness. I can now show you here. I'm going to, well, I guess I'm going to put this box over here, and we can see all of the colors here. Everything is okay, but it's not that bright for 11 watts. I know CFL should do better with 11 watts. So we're going to now screw in the IKEA one. Okay, now I'm going to switch on the IKEA one. Nice. Really nice preheat. Really nice, I like it. I'm going to let it do its vaporize thing over here, and we're going to come back to it in a bit and see it. But it is already brighter, or well, just bright as the other one, so we're going to check on that later. We have reached maximum brightness, and the IKEA one just doesn't do better. I don't know, it is actually a little bit brighter. It's 12 watts the same, I don't know why. Shining again here. I'm going to show you the box again, just for the color comparison. And we can see all of the colors, okay, everything is okay. It's just, actually, it's not bright enough. But this might be because this one just doesn't look used actually that much, so that's really interesting. And now I haven't shown you the intro. I will also insert this Kaufland light bulb, also 11 watts, to see how bright it is. Now we're going to see the Kaufland one. Well, this one will actually need time to warm up, but it is an 11 watt one, just verifying. And it has 4 tubes. It has here one, there one, another one here, and another one here. So this is actually interesting, rare. But we're going to see how good it is. I'm going to leave it here in the back, and we're going to come to it back when it is fully vaporized. But what do you know? I hear a hum. Ooh, interesting. Never heard a hum from just a CFL. That's actually really interesting. 10 watts, so let's see. So I guess we can now safely say that it has reached its maximum brightness. But what I can also say is that despite this, it is actually a little bit brighter than the other one, and it only uses 11 watts. So I'm not sure what really happened here. I have expected them a little bit to be brighter, but these are also probably older CFLs than more newer ones that have been produced and are better. But it's not still about brightness, it's just a little bit interesting. Because it's only like this. Thought that 11 watts would have been a little bit powerful. To show you, the bulb has now, you can't really see the 4 tubes, but it's really actually an interesting bulb. So, this was it. Now, this test was just all about, is a twin tube better, or is this or I don't know, quad tube, and now I just tested which of these do better. And it turns out this, yes indeed, this one really does turn out to be more efficient because it did only use 11 watts and it did give more power off. So I don't know, these are probably older and this is probably also newer, so it's a little bit unfair to just assume. This was just a nice test, I guess, and I really had fun doing because I was sort of surprised of how they are. So yeah, it was really interesting. And so if you thought that this was also an interesting comparison, leave a like, subscribe to my channel if you thought that this was cool and you want to see more, do that. And this was it from my side, so see you in next video. Goodbye.